Hi kids! Today, I wanted to draw a New York taxi because Minette, Alice, and Cece have never seen one. They've never been to New York City. Over there, you can hear more than 800 different languages. It's one of the most diverse places in the world. I must take them one day to visit. And in the meantime, let's draw a New York taxi. I like them because they're yellow, and I think they're super cool and fun to draw. What I like to start out with is the boxy top where the windows are, and then I come around and I finish out the front of the car, and I do a similar thing with the back of the car, but just make it maybe a little bit smaller. Alright, so that kind of gives it the geometry of a car. Okay, we'll finish off the bottom here with a little bumper, like that. And then we will draw the tires. Give some more detail with the rim there, and move on to the second one. Now, it's okay if you can't draw a perfect circle. It just takes practice. I've drawn a lot of circles, so... And then, we'll come here and add a little light, because cars need to be able to see at night. So they need the tail light and the headlight. Just little boxes here. Everything's very boxy with the car. Okay, so now I'm going to draw the windows of the car. And I want to draw the front window. That's the little rear view mirror up there up front. And the back window, just like this. Very square. So we're working on our circles and our squares here. And we'll do this little square pattern thing. The checkered thing, it's like New York taxi. That's how you know it's a New York taxi. It's yellow and has those checkers. But in case you didn't know, we'll put taxi on here. T-A-X-I. Taxi. That's right. Taxi. Let's color it now. Bright yellow. That's why I like these, because they're bright yellow. It's one of my favorite colors. Fill it in. And then we can draw the tires dark, gray or black or whatever dark color you have. Perfect. And fill this back one in. So let's go ahead and fill in the rear view mirror there. And now just put some shade into the windows. Okay, so now I'm gonna put an orange on my lights here up front. On the back, it's always to stop, so I think they put red on the back. Gonna fill in the top here too with yellow. There, I can't wait to show them this drawing. See ya.